Here we are unboxing the AMI Reiner JetStamp Graphic 970. You'll notice the warranty registration sticker. Please don't forget to register your machine on our website. JetStamp Graphic 970 printer. Base. Additional cartridge cap to keep your cartridge fresh. Inkjet cartridge. USB data transfer cable. Power adapter which connects to the USB cord. Extra adapters for various countries. Software CD, which is also available for download online. Rechargeable NIMH nickel metal hydride batteries. Manual, which is also available for download online. Warranty registration instructions. Important information about taking the cartridge out at the end of the day so that it stays fresh. A notice about using rechargeable batteries only. Regular batteries can actually damage the unit. As well as cartridge care and troubleshooting information. Thank you.